Ever wondered how to turbocharge your brain power? Today, we'll unravel some scientifically proven methods to enhance your memory, concentration, and overall mental acuity. Buckle up as we dive into this fascinating journey. Our brain, an exquisite tool, demands proper utilization. So let's explore some effective strategies to maximize your brain power. Section 1. A healthy diet. The first and foremost step is to fuel your brain with the right nutrients. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins like nuts, blueberries, and green leafy vegetables act as a power source for your brain. Section 2. Regular exercise. The second step is regular physical exercise. Not only does it keep your body in shape, but it also enhances your brain function. Exercise aids in creating new neural connections, boosting learning and memory. Section 3. Mental challenges. The third step involves challenging your brain consistently. Engaging in puzzles, Sudoku, and mind games enhances your problem-solving skills. These activities promote neuroplasticity, which is crucial for brain health. Section 4. Adequate sleep. The fourth important step is sufficient sleep. Sleep acts as a reset button for your brain. A good 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night fully refreshes and recharges your cognitive functions, improving both learning and memory. Section 5. Meditation and mindfulness. The final step is meditation and mindfulness. These techniques calm your mind, enhance concentration, and reduce stress. Regular meditation can even change your brain structure, improving your attention span and emotional regulation. In conclusion, these are some powerful ways to boost your brain power. Incorporate them into your daily routine and watch your mental capabilities soar. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as we continue to bring more informative videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.